Teacher, my teacher, Stella Vista, Kukuna Pie, Peace, no Costa Rosta, one tap, Jagala Chap. What's up, guys? Ako wa Nemo Free Filwe, aka Ri, aka Ote Pandayo, aka Nix. Yes, Bafetu, we back. Another episode 25. Really, Bafetu, open mic session. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please, guys, Sancela. Ngalibalo subscribe Bafetu. Reting social media kaufela, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Sikona, guys. Please, Bafetu, kopale subscribe Bafetu. Kachegele tshwaretse another guest. Shafere out yami.
Hola my brother.
Umnandi wena kunjani?
Hayi umnandi kakhulu mfethu.
Umnandi program.
Yashiya.
All right. Bona hle program ngicela ku introduce to our viewers ne. Ubatshele ukuthi ubani uchamuka va and utumeka injalo.
Sure. I'm a cash malinda lona bafethu from Edelepu, Eswanaville.
Yeah.
Ngisuke KZN amhlabalingana.
Oh, KZN.
Yeah, sure. Ngifike eGoli ngifike I think 2020. Yeah, sure.
All right.
Hayi mina ngidume music, ngishayela music,
hip hop,
okay. Trap.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
All right. So ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uphuma va KZN.
Yeah, ngiphuma KZN amhlabalingana eManguzi.
Emanguzi Mhlabalingana.
Yeah, sure.
Oh. So angitshele program ke ngiyawuzwa ukuthi udume ngemusic. Uqale nini ukushaya music?
Ukushaya music ngiqale 2015. Yeah, ngiqale 2015 nezinja zami zakhona kara emakhaya eManguzi.
Emakhaya khona la KZN 2015.
Yeah, sure.
So ubone how many years?
I think bengina 16, 15 la.
16, 15.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Grade?
Grade 7.
Okay, grade 7.
Grade 7.
So, who inspire you to do music? Ubani inspire you to share music?
Yo, inspire ngabantu ababhaya kodwa manje ngokukhetha nje abambala.
Yeah. MT, alright. Yeah.
South Msotramen.
South, yeah. Shout out. Yeah.
Oh,
Ibo boy 2 pay.
Ngasho ukuthi Ibo nje boy 2 abangifaka umfutho obhaye ukuthi no nami ngayenza le.
Yeah, ungangena. All right. MT no Saudi.
Yeah, South Msotramen.
Saudi lo threats ne?
Yeah, so Msotramen.
Oh, okay. International kunomuntu kuya inspire?
International, yeah. Vele ngilalela international most of the time.
Oh, most of the time, yeah.
Yeah, sure. So international babhaya. Yeah. Jengo Ghana,
yeah.
Fabio Foreign,
yeah,
Orlando Week.
Yeah.
Oh, babhaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hip hop muswe.
Yeah,
hip hop kuphela. So hip hop ushayile, ipiano awushayo.
Ipiano angaze ngayishaya. Nje noma ngishaya nje kusuke mhlawumbe kusestudio amajita angitutsile ukuthi uzame kancane
ncamanyana shaya
something then
mara wena ipiano awushayo
angishaya piano.
Okay. So asikhulume ngemusic as ushaya music 2015 ushaya hip hop trap kuphela.
Yeah,
trap kuphela hip hop
trap hip hop. Yeah.
So ushaya so manje ushaya ama single or ama EP?
Ama EP, yeah, ngisebenze kakhulu ama EP. Yeah, khona njalo.
So since 2015 ushaya ama EP or ushaya ama single?
2015 to 2023.
Yeah.
Bengishaya nje ama single
because
chance to record bengayitholi.
Yeah. Plus ne budget. Yeah, budget.
Until ngikhona ukumanage ukwenza studio sami la endlini. Yeah, no singakhona ukuspana kamnandi.
Yeah.
Spana ngama album ama EP nazo zonke lezi zinto.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as ungitshela ukuthi uspana kuma EP zingaki EP uke washave?
Abhaya kodwa manje akhona amanye sephumile.
Okay.
How
many?
Aphumile ngasho ukuthi 4. Yeah.
Oh.
Ama EP.
It's too many. This year or last of last year or nini?
Kale last of last year.
Oh, kale last of last year.
Yeah, last of last year.
Oh, so the first EP, the name of the first
EP Mascon.
Yeah,
ngifeaturewe kuyona.
Okay. EP yakho?
Yeah.
Ninga
si2 kuyo.
Okay.
It's like ungifeatureile kahle kodwa manje phela si2 kuyo yonke.
Oh, sharp. Project onke.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Uthio uye ungifeatureile kulelo khuzana.
Kule EP.
Okay. Mascon.
Yeah, 21 le.
2023.
23
Yeah,
yeah
sure,
okay so enye 20
Enye
anjho uthi zi4 ne
yeah 4.
4k
Enye 2024.
okay 2 yeah
Yeah. Then 2025
Yeah.
1.
yeah
Yeah, lengisebenze kuyo no Otis.
no OT
Yeah, sure.
so name of the EP igama layo
Swift Cash.
oh Sweet of Cash yeah no
Yeah, leyo yano Swift
Okay,
Cash 2025.
okay
Yatholakala yonke indawo. Enhle wonke lama EP engikhuluma nawo
Yeah, yeah.
yatholakala yonke indawo.
okay
Yeah, sure.
so le yamanje yini
Swift Cash.
Swifted Cash
Yeah, sure.
so iphethe OTs
Yeah, ngiphethe Otis la.
oh how many tracks
10 tracks.
10 tracks
Yeah.
okay all right so yini trap or hip hop or
Kune mix la.
mix
Yeah, uzayithola afro,
okay
trap, some African,
yeah
some African no.
yeah so manje ipiano ayikho
Piano ayikho. Njengoba ngishilo nasekuqaleni ukuthi piano angitholakali. Yeah.
oh ne
Sure,
mfethu ngiyakuzwa so manje ngitshela ke music video akhona wona
No, music video saplena yona kushaya into esasekhona no ama promo.
okay promo yeah
Yeah, sure.
oh ne mfethu ngiyabonga ukuthi uzokela open mic session
Yeah, sure.
thank you bafethu
Bonga mina.
bafethu cash bafethu awuthetha ekhaya kusona evi so abantu mebekufuna socialeni bafune ba
Makesh Malinda everywhere.
yeah abatshele njalo
Everywhere Makesh Malinda and the Lab Records.
yeah
Yeah, ngiyatholakala.
TikTok everything
TikTok everywhere. Spotify,
By
YouTube,
Instagram. Yeah,
Boomplay,
YouTube.
everywhere. Jupiter.
Yeah.
Download my music.
yeah
Yes, sir.
yeah bafethu cash please guys ara supportana nkasi bafethu let's support local music as supporta name bafethu as supporta ni local music leno tswakasi Swaneville bafethu Kagiso West Rand ara ka cash chance bafethu ara bontshe nywenywenywe
Let's get it.
nywenywenywe
Makesh Malinda
I sat with a sling and a sling in the bed. I'm about to understand it, I spend 9 years, my feelings. Everything is dope on my side, even the beats. I said it ain't a meaning, I don't hang out that we cool. And I'm from a place where they love it when you did. I ain't seen no summers, put up minds of young boom. Yeah, we talking things, making moves around my boss. They never understand us, and I ain't have a plan. Lazy sense in my eyes, cause I like a scene. I'm playing in them like a feeling, I see in the money every time. She is a lie, wanna push them with some cash. So you music, mama, was a woman by your team. I'm telling mama, oh, sell up until I'm intense. And the ego, now we need to put up the spot. Let's go.
Una manga, mina nezama izizwe zayimela. You ain't never be what you said in a manga. You never ever did what you said in a manga. You gonna lie for my Linda na manga. Wow, when una manga, una manga, when una manga, wow, una manga, wow, hey, una manga. Utifana nama isuku ngamanga. Mina ngamba phansi njengephepha namathanga. Nale flow yimanzi lapho nami ngenza cool. Sekumanzi phansi lapho ngiqonsa njengekusini. Ayangqamba manga mina, ayangqamba manga mina bona ngisase lihle. Khokho sebashile kanti futhi bavumile. Fike ekhaya ngihlabe imbuzo ngibanga ngaba phansi. I ain't not the best, my lane is number 1. Uthi ugcwele ngami ayishiye uqamba masi. Uthi kujike khulu sekagithekela abantu. Wow, unamanga, mina nezama izizwe zayimela. You ain't never be what you said in a manga. You never ever did what you said in a manga. You gonna lie for my Linda na manga. Wow, when una manga, una manga, when una manga, wow, Ganing, Mali sifuna ganing. While I beg it that it's only like lit. Sip with the cup, we doing no race. Now I don't fake it, we own the cup. While the niggas are looking for race. Cause I got cooling my finger pong on. While we kick it and killing the shows. Ganing. Mali sifuna ganing. While I beg it that it's only like lit. Sip with the cup, we doing no race. Now I don't fake it, we own the cup. While the niggas are looking for race. Cause I got cooling my finger pong on. While we kick it and killing the shows. Yeah, but come say I got cooling my finger pong on. Papa got cool is my biz, I'm a quiz. Fine and cuckoo's bang mazum. I'm long as that's among figure and sang. Sacred the gang, yeah, killers are self. Shall I get bitching, yeah, killers are cup. Bang on 1 million, yeah, killers are cups. Muzo no judge, yeah, let's go. Ganing. Imali sifuna ganing. We never go down to the nose. We're coming and changing again. Doing pushing that cool. I'm a hash up and bitch, I'm cool. Hey, time because when I'm lul. The game is just like a lul. Yeah, since I'm out there, squeeze on my balls. That's a season, it's feeling a corner. Shoot too hard and touches on them. So it's been cool and I get good decision. Time I'm going to like easily gauge. Keep us smoking and roll on the road. Ganing. Imali sifuna ganing. Mali sifuna ganing. While I beg it that it's only like lit. Sip with the cup, we doing no race. Now I don't fake it, we own the cup. While the niggas are looking for race. Cause I got cool with my finger pong on. While we kick it and killing the shows. Imali sifuna ganing. Fill up sipile got cool. Time to spend it got cool. Check it got cool. So that we never go down. Among the niggas we never give up. We singing already, nothing same. But I know I'm to the same. I remember nigga down, play show niggas, yeah. I remember I was down, thinking about the things I would ever change, yeah. Nothing changed, but it's okay, things gon' change, please if shit. I'm one day, they keep it change, please if shit. And I just go, ganing. Mali sifuna ganing. While I beg it that it's only like lit. Sip with the cup, we doing no race. Now I don't fake it, we own the cup. While the niggas are looking for race. Cause I got cool with my finger pong on. While we kick it and killing the shows. Ganing. Mali sifuna ganing. While I beg it that it's only like lit. Sip with the cup, we doing no race. Now I don't fake it, we own the cup. While the niggas are looking for race. Cause I got cool with my finger pong on. While we kick it and killing the shows. Ganing. Mali sifuna ganing. While I beg it that it's only like